Lewis Schmills.
Now, if any of you sons of got anything else to say,
What?
now the stop.
Busy Chris morning and Dustin head first. Now we on it, me and my team. We pulled and start up the charts. You know that we on it, ballin'. Haters start stalling, falling. Crack to the knees, can't even crawling. Call me with the game in the pursuit for rescue. Dog, I'm the medicine, I'ma have to nurse you. Y'all wanna be the beast, but only beef flat to burn through like a chew. No beehives, fellas are chicken, signs that don't listen. Don't know what they seeking, so they're sinking with no thinking. Coming through with a cold more heart like Rohan. Only gator pretty chicks, nickname Lola. Cock the Ross like they name women, stop bugging me, Mr. MacD. I ain't loving it, pencil tied to the thighs. That should have spurs while we fry them. Mondays they die, and Fridays we die them. Then we let them fly, but without the wings, no high. I'm like you telling me, boy, it's destiny, now all the do is trial. Step up to the single can time of the time. I give it the mean and the evil eye. Go and blow steam, let it go like a kettle. You cannot deny, be subtle. Worst goes extreme, worst case scenario. Tackle this me, but it's heckles. You gotta eat mean teeth, no dental. I'm the show original, the profession on it. You seek no demo, the choice, but say they're on fire. Can't burn tracks, no Nero. Can't burn rubber, no tire. I'm on my Kimbo. Slices, machete, get buried, get dirty. Fellas going under like limbo. Underground, the great sound from the Greyhound. Delivered to my people. Tale of the hero, tale of the hero, tale of the hero, tale of the hero, the tale of the hero. I'm just praying that the game gonna be alright. And you know what to do. Vote up for the dude. Yeah. And you know that the game gonna be alright. Peace and love, y'all.